Are you looking for the best electric pressure cooker? In this video, we will look at some of the top electric pressure cookers on the market. At number 1, we have the Ultra 10-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker by Instant Pot. This pressure cooker is intended to replace 10 common kitchen appliances including yogurt makers, cake makers, egg cookers, streamers, warmers, and sterilizers. It comes with a central dial that has a simple turn and press controller to provide added precision in selecting and adjusting the different programs. This particular unit also has a few new features including a cooking indicator, option to adjust altitude, and a steam release reset button. Through the central screen, users can keep an eye on the time, adjust the heating intensity, temperature, pressure, and the overall cooking duration. All of the components that come in contact with the food are made of a food-graded 304 stainless steel. The package also comes with a few included accessories including a measuring cup, serving spoon, soup spoon, a steam rack with handles, and a recipe booklet. At number 2, we have the Yeti 9-in-1 Instant Programmable Pressure Cooker. This one comes at a relatively affordable price tag and combines 9 appliances in one, including a pressure cooker, yogurt maker, rice cooker, warmer, cake maker, and so forth. The unit has 15 instant touch cooking programs. This will allow you to prepare eggs, rice, cake, porridge, steamed veggies, yogurt, and whatnot with a single touch of a button. On top of that, it comes with a recipe and cheat sheets to make things even easier. There's also a stainless steel steamer basket that allows the user to make 2 dishes at the same time. The relatively big inner cooking pot is made of food-grade stainless steel as well. The cooker also allows you to input time, temperature, and pressure levels manually, providing greater flexibility when cooking. The kit includes a tempered glass lid, ladle, rice paddle, cooking mitts, 2 egg racks, a stainless steel inner cooking pot, as well as a measuring cup and a few other accessories. At number 3, we have another pressure cooker by Instant Pot, the Duo Nova 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. Unlike the first one we discussed in the video, this combines 7 appliances in one. These include a slow cooker, a pressure cooker, a rice cooker, a sauté pan, a food warmer, a streamer, and a yogurt maker. The unit is also powered by a microprocessor. This allows it to monitor and to adjust the temperature, heat, time, pressure, and to prepare the food up to 70% quicker compared to other methods. An interesting addition to this one is the Easy Seal Smart Lid. It seals the pressure cooker automatically, giving you one less thing to be concerned with. The controls are clear and simple, and the blue LCD display shows all the information you need of the cooking process. There are 13 customizable programs. The price of the unit is also comparatively cheaper. At number 4, we have the Lux LCD 4-quart multi-cooker by Zavor. This one is a bit more expensive, but it does come with some interesting featured functions. It has a flex that allows the user to make sous vide, a slow and pressure cooker, steamer, and whatnot. You can easily prepare eggs, grains, yogurt, grains, and a whole lot of interesting desserts. The pressure cooker comes with over 33 programmable settings, designated for the cooking of meat, beans, risotto, soups, veggies, cheesecake, and whatnot. It also has a brown function that allows users to brown the food in the same pot before cooking. Additionally, you can easily steam your veggies or fish, for example, to prepare delicious yet nutritious meals. The unit is ETL approved as it will not open if there is any pressure inside. It comes with a powerful heating element that allows it to reach the desired pressure or temperature quicker. At number 5, we have the Mueller UltraPot 6Q. This is another solution that replaces 10 different kitchen appliances. It has 15 preset smart programs, but users can also manually input cooking times. In other words, you can use the preset programs to prepare yogurt, cake, meat, rice, beans, eggs, and whatnot, or you can manually adjust it to prepare whatever you want to. The cooker is made with high-quality rubber seals and it has strong and reliable handles that are also heat-resistant. The internal electronics are also of superior quality, and it allows you to cook 2 dishes at the same time. There is an additional stainless steel steamer included in the package as a bonus. The unit is both ULC and UL tested, and it has 8 safety mechanisms to guarantee its safety and to eliminate a lot of commonly made mistakes. This particular electric cooker has a standard price tag, nothing too steep or cheap. At number 6, we have a fairly affordable Instant Pot 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. The Duo Mini model replaces 7 kitchen appliances, a pressure cooker, a slow cooker, steamer, sauté, a yogurt maker, a warmer, and a rice cooker. As the name suggests, its size is very convenient for small households, as it can be put anywhere the space is limited. It has 14 one-touch cooking presets that allow for quicker food preparation. You can make soup, broth, rice, porridge, poultry, and whatnot with a simple press of a button. The unit has a small display on its front where you can monitor the pressure, time, temperature, and make necessary adjustments to the heating intensity. The Duo Mini is also very easy to clean because the lid and the other accessories are made of fingerprint-resistant stainless steel. It has an inner pot with 3-ply bottom that helps you to cook the meals evenly. In addition, in the package you will also find a serving spoon, a steam rack with handles, a soup spoon, and a measuring cup. At number 7, we have the Cosori 8-in-1 electric pressure cooker. From the display, you can customize the programs and adjust the temperature, pressure, and the cooking time. The controls are very intuitive and it has 6 different temperature and pressure level settings, allowing you to prepare vegetables, seafood, poultry, rice, beans, and beef. To make it more convenient, you can also switch between Fahrenheit or Celsius readings, depending on what you're used to. The exterior is rather sleek as the cooker has a fingerprint-resistant stainless steel housing that could complement almost all kitchen designs. There are 10 safety mechanisms to guarantee risk-free usage on a daily basis. These include anti-clog protection, lid lock safety, pressure auto control guard, excess temperature monitor, electrical current monitor, and others. At number 8, we have the Gourmet Digital Pressure Cooker. This one is on the lower end of the price range and it comes with 13 different cooking modes, including slow cook, beans, poultry, meat, soup, and others. It's equipped with the so-called SpeedSense technology. Put simply, the unit uses 800 watts of power to prepare meals 70% quicker while also retaining more nutrients. The pressure cooker comes with a precision thermostat that regulates the internal pressure and the cooking temperature automatically to ensure consistent results. The unit is very easy to clean as its exterior is made of stainless steel, as is the removable non-stick interior pot and steaming rack. It's very safe to use because it has 10 custom engineered safety mechanisms, including a lid locking system patented by the company. At number 9, we have the Power Pressure Cooker. Much like the Gourmet cooker, this one also claims to be 70% quicker and more efficient than traditional cookware. It also has a flavor infusion technology. This helps trap heated steam within the pot, which in turn forces liquids and moisture into the food, providing better aroma and freshness. It's equipped with a digital display panel where you can adjust the cooking settings. The unit has a slow cooking function so you can easily prepare succulent meals relatively quicker. It replaces 7 common kitchen appliances, including a steamer, a soup maker, cookware, rice cooker, slow cooker, canner, and a pressure cooker. The Power Pressure Cooker is very easy to clean as most of its accessories and exterior are made of brushed stainless steel. It also comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Finally, at number 10, we have the Cuckoo Premium 8-in-1 Multi-Cooker. As the name suggests, this one combines 8 different kitchen appliances in one, including a warmer, a yogurt and soup maker, a steamer, a rice cooker, and so forth. This particular unit is more expensive than most of the others on the list. However, it does have a smart voice guide which is quite unique. It's a system available in different languages to make the experience of cooking even more intuitive. It has 14 different safety features and it's easy to clean and maintain. The display is easy to use as the cooker comes with 9 different heating level settings. So that sums up the top electric pressure cookers. We hope you enjoyed, and